give you a shot of this barge. It's called the Miss, let's see, probably May. Yep, Miss May. The Miss May. See the name here on the side. M-I-S-S-M-A-E. Alright, I'm on a little bit different site today, but you can see, look how it goes to sand down there, and then sand up there. There's a little bit of stuff showing, but look how much gravel and stuff showing right in the wash. These are the kind of places I look. Right there's a cracked open piece of river cobble chert. It's gray stuff with a chocolate color exterior. I've been picking up lots of tiny flakes here, and I've already found some stuff. I just wanted to show you the kind of stuff I'm looking. It looks pretty decent. I'm going to do some screens and stuff. This isn't a site I normally look because it's newer stuff, and I would much rather have the older stuff. I can find points on a site like this all day long consistently if I sift, but it's just not the kind of stuff I'm looking for. But anyway, folks, I'll get back at you if I get something later. I'm back, just like I was talking about, right on the edge of the water in the gravel. See if you can see that point laying there. It's right here. It's not ground, it's probably some kind of a hoop well. It's a woodland point. I find Jack's Reef stuff here, Adina's, and they're all about this size. That's not bad. Not bad at all. It's got a little translucency around the edges, but not much. It's some kind of tan river cobble chert. Not a bad point. I'll put up pictures later. I just picked up this piece of quartz, and that's an odd material for around here. I found a few points made out of this material, but like 2 in my whole life. It's not common. This is right in the middle of an Indian site. It's not an artifact, but look at that. I want to take that. I might put that in a rock polisher. That would look awesome. Might just keep it like that. That's really cool. Look how translucent it is. Later face. Alright, I'm scraping right there. You can see where I'm working. We get this little flake blade, and that's definitely what it is. It's got use wear on it, and I got a beat up point. Right there it is. It's got nice inclusions in it. It's got a little notch here, but it's beat up. You can see it there. But this place is pretty good. There's a lot of flint in here. I'm picking flint out of every screen. But it's woodland stuff, and I could come here and just get a video every 2 hours pretty much, but it's just I don't know. I'd rather have that old stuff, have a chance at a Clovis or a real big sandy or a serrated point or a Thebes. I can't get excited about finding this kind of stuff. But anyway, later. Well, I've been here 45 minutes, and you can see the difference between a woodland site and an early site that I usually look. I usually have like that much flint in an artifact from hours of looking, like not even that much. But look at some of this stuff. Look at that translucent green stuff. But all this in like 45 minutes off one site. This woodland, that's a little tool. There's lots of little tools in here, flake blades. But I got a point. So that's 2 points here in 45 minutes, and you do the math. If I'd stay here 8 hours, I'd just find point after point after point. It's hard to dig for 8 hours straight in the hot sun, but this fall I'll be able to. I'll go on some runs on this place. But right here, it's a little Coshocton flint point. It's pretty nice. Might be a sharpened down Ashtabula with that base. It's not ground, it's something woodland, but it's pretty nice. Got a little nick there on the base, but that's still kind of nice. Not what I'm looking for, but I just wanted to find some quantity today. I'm tired from digging in that dump. Later, fix. Alright, give you a look at this. This was 45 minutes sifting, and I found this one laying out on a woodland site. I found this, I didn't film it. It's a black Brewerton side notched. It's snapped right there. It's not ground, it's a Brewerton for sure. I got some other pieces out of points and stuff. I didn't, just like edges and couple points, and look here. There's a tip. It's real river polished. It's like tan chert, it's rolled around. It almost looks fluted on the back side, but that's just a break, I would guess. Come out of this with this woodland stuff. But reason why I turned this on, I kayak like a mile downriver to a place where I found some old stuff. And up here I set my can of pop by it. I got a break and drill. It's nothing to brag about, but I thought I'd film it. Where's it at? It's right here. See if you can see it. It's right here. Yeah, it's some kind of little drill, and it snapped off at the tip. There you go. Wouldn't have been bad. I filmed it because it was a drill. I like drills. Would have been a nice one. It's kind of greenish gray chert. It's river cobble chert, but that's too bad. Well, anyway, later. See here, coming down the bank, I see deer tracks on this side a lot. It's a pretty big whitetail. Look how big them tracks are. Going all the way down through there, full length of the site. Anyway, fix later.